Okay, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plains. The ants in France stay mainly in your ponds. It's a Friday, I think. It looks like a beautiful day. Thank you for your patience and your loyalty. It's much expected. Diabetes sucks. Thank you, Maida, for everything. So, where is it? So my name is Wayne. I'm your friendly neighborhood diabetic. So what happens is, because I'm on insulin and I ate a healthy diet yesterday, suddenly right before my webinar, my hands start shaking and I have trouble thinking, and you go into sort of a primitive lizard-like brain. So all of a sudden I'm like, I gotta go. So I go up and I have to eat and I have to eat and I have to eat, but then I spike my sugar level up, so then I get tired and then I collapse. And so, long story short, I lost about 3 hours of my life there, but I'm healthy. I'm the same as ever now. I'm ridiculously thirsty, but I'm alive. So nice to meet you. Glad that you're here. Thank you for your loyalty, guys. You can see in the chat when I'm not around who my friends are and who's got my back and who doesn't. So I appreciate you in my life. So let's thank Traders Way for being the sponsor of today's webinar. Tradersway.com. Love you, babe. Let's get into the trades. Let's bust out some sort of analysis and call it a day. Okie dokie. Oh, wow, that's weird. All right, so there's the pound Swissy. Right, we were talking about this in yesterday's group last night, so I'll just leave it at that. Let's do a quick around the world. Big drop on oil, and if that makes you a bear, you have all the permission you need. And there's your, if it's loads, come on now. There's your trade for today and tomorrow, if you will. If you're a bear or you want to be a bear, you've been waiting to be a bear, that'll do it. What you're looking at is lower low, lower high, and you can let the math do the work. Okay. Aussie, huh? It was going up forever and ever and ever and ever and ever until it hit our line. It's nice when your charts work. Look at that. Over and over and over. We talked about it on, what was it, Tuesday? Probably should take profit. On Wednesday, probably should take profit. On Thursday. And I said to the bears, look, bears, you'll have a chance, maybe. Okay, so this is the last opportunity for bulls to buy. And we've been watching this line now since Tuesday. So if you're going to do it, you got to do it or you're not it. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I'm seeing your nice comments. Thank you. Yeah. Not feeling very good, though, but there we go. Now I'm behind on all the rest of my work the rest of the day. And you know what? I honestly, being an entrepreneur, I don't know when holidays are. So I know I set something up big in the live trading group. We were going to start something absolutely brand new on Monday. I didn't know it was a holiday. I mean, I didn't. I don't know these things. I know, I think Christmas. That's one I pay attention to because I have to spend tons of money on it. So honestly, I didn't know. So we can't meet on a weekend. So I guess we're gonna have to push, start everything on Tuesday, then Wednesday, and then regular swing on Thursday. So we'll see what we can do. But anyways, thank you to Maida for reminding me. It's some sort of holiday. What holiday is it? Is it Communist Socialist Day? It's Union Day, isn't it? Is that Labor Day? No, no, it's Memorial Day. The other one is Union Day, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. See, one thing in Canada is we have Remembrance Day, which is the end of World War One, and we have Veterans Day here, and then we have Memorial Day. So lots of different similar holidays. All right. So Bitcoin coming down is a risk-off move. So you would assume things like yen strength, dollar strength, commodities falling, and that's interesting how we had all of that come together. And one of the things I've been teaching over and over and over and over again, and it feels like people sort of like get it but don't get it, like get it but don't feel it. Like no matter how bullish it is, if you're a bear and you wait, you're going to get your chance, right? And so a lot of these things have properly turned over. This hasn't done much of anything. And so now the risk off folks might just have some time in the sun, the spotlight on the stage. That's the part I like about trading, huh? Is that right, YouTube? Yeah, it's weird. Insulin is the scary part. So Rand is still benefiting big time. Okay, people thought it was going to be a lot worse, and that's so not worse is good. It's one way of looking at it. Oh, that sucks. Okay, so we already did that one. That's the trade from 3-4 days ago. It's just setting up now. If you're going to take it, get ready for it. Okay. Here we are. The euro yen got exactly 2 standard deviations from its mean and stopped rising. It sort of ignored weekly pivots. It sort of ignored monthly pivots, but it was precisely 2 standard deviations from the mean. Seems to be reverting back to the mean. So if you are a bear, you're selling off the top, hoping to go down all the way to the bottom. I guess I should do it this way. But if you are still a bull and you believe this Fed news is a game changer, then this is what you're setting up anyways. Okay. No, it has to do with the interest rate decision 24 hours ago. Right? You're reading the central bank notes, right, Johnny? Eddie. Here's a Kiwi. What we said, I think it might have been yesterday or the day before, that you set it up like a top end of the range, a bottom end of the range, and wait for a break. Okay, and this was the plan. If you want it to come down, let it break through the bottom, let it rise back. So here's the break, here's the rise back, where support becomes resistance, and now you need your follow through. And if you get that, your target is probably way down here. Right on, Johnny. Is that right, Sammy? You caught that? Yeah. Let me show you, because those daily pivot points are set up for a bullish point of view. Oh my God, I drank so much water. I'm going to explode. If you switch it to day trading bearish bias, look at the trade from last night. Up, 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 sell, right? Down, 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 up, up, sell. Down, 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 up, up, sell. Down, 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 down. We'll see if we get follow through on Monday. You guys like that trick? Cool, right? What about Kiwi Cat? I have no idea about Kiwi Cat. Okay, they're both commodity plays, so in risk off, I would assume they're both sort of weak. Okay. Yeah, Richard, and I'm probably that way too. It just tells me not today. Not today, eh? Oh, for sure. Don't you know? Yeah? Oh, for sure. For sure. So this is neutral, okay? And of course, if you are believing or trying to be a bull in this one, the way you play it is you might have some up, okay? And you got to get at least to the 2 standard deviations from the mean, and then of course eventually a break. And the break changes, right? Changes everything because y equals mx plus b, and m equals, that's supposed to be an equals, rise over run. So when you're calculating m, which is the slope, suddenly rise, right? Rise over this period, which is the run, and suddenly you get an upward moving slope and it starts looking this way. And that's what a bull is trying to do. Now, here's the thing. Nothing about this is bullish. Technically, like statistically, nothing about this is bullish. Now, you might say, well, there's a Fed meeting in here. Well, that's fundamentally, right? But if you're doing statistics, and all we're doing is we're saying from this period to this period, we're treating every candle as a data point in a scatter plot. That's all we're doing. And then we're making these calculations, and nothing says up statistically. Now, you're not trading statistically. Okay, you might manage your risk statistically, but there's nothing on here technically that's bullish, not yet. So you might want to wait, as if you are a bull, something like this at least. Okay, and treat this as the new, floor. So we did all that. All right. Oh my God. Sorry. Losing it already. That's it. I got lots of sleep last night too, man. No. Yeah, I don't feel well. Fell asleep in the movie theater. Nice. Just. So yeah, nothing's really changed. I don't feel good about anything on these charts yet. See, everything is sideways. And we talked about this one where I can measure this from a bullish point of view. If I don't measure it from a bullish point of view, it's neutral. Okay? And right now, multiple USD, I think 3 USD pairs are neutral. So KJ, we would not meet. And we're not going to meet Monday night? No, it's a holiday here, so I have to double check. I'm going to have to figure out what Monday. No one's going to show up if it's Monday night, and if they maybe this is one opportunity to spend time with your family. This might be a good time to spend with your family. So probably not Sunday. No, not Sunday, and probably not Monday. So we might have to push things a little bit next week. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm going to go. I apologize, guys. Stupid diabetes. So just in case I haven't said the disclaimer, let me remind you, trade is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. Stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term. Never risk money, cannot afford to lose. And I will see you whenever. I guess it's Tuesday. I will see you Tuesday. Enjoy yourself. I apologize again, and I thank you for your patience, and I thank you for your loyalty. It's noted and appreciated.